Hello guys, I'm reviewing my swing trade that I took on EURUSD. So this is my monthly chart. As I'm a swing trader, I took trade on I start my analysis on monthly time frame, then do top down analysis starting from monthly, weekly, daily, then end from 4 hour. 4 hour is where I took my trade, like I took my setup. I'm looking for entries on 4 hour. So I was looking the monthly before it reaches at this point here. I was looking at this gap here. This gap was formed on the month of November 2002. Then the month of December broke this high here, this high of this candle, and then the month of January failed to close this gap here and then continue to the upside. So I knew that the market, as it's going to the upside, will come and balance this gap here. So I will note this gap using a right angle. So the gap was like this. The gap was like this. So as the market formed this gap here, I saw the equal lows here. As the market printed the equal lows here, I knew that there is a liquidity that the market needed to grab here under these lows here. So as there is a liquidity and there is a gap that was left here, on the month of November, December, January. During those months, there was a gap that left here. I knew that the market will come and balance this gap before we can look for another setup. So this is my monthly time frame, and I will go to the weekly so that I can explain everything clear and show you how I took this trade here. So I will try to zoom in so that my chart will be clean and clear. So this is my weekly chart. So I will remove this one. Yeah. So on weekly charts, I saw these equal lows here. As you can see, these equal lows here. As the market printed these equal lows, I knew again that there is a liquidity below these equal lows here. The market will come and break these lows because there is a liquidity here. So as I knew that the market was pushing to the upside on this week here, and before this movement here of these two candles, there was a gap that was left here, as you can see, on the low of this candle and on the high of this candle from this gap here that I noted with horizontal trend lines. This gap here. So I knew the market will come and balance this gap here before going down to balance that monthly gap that I was talking about. So this was my weekly charts review, and then when I done with weekly chart, I will go to daily chart. So on daily charts, there wasn't much about daily charts, but the thing that was very important is that I saw these equal lows here that were very clear to daily charts, these equal lows here. And then the market was supposed to come and balance this gap here, this weekly gap, and then fall to the downside to balance the monthly gap that I was talking about on this horizontal line here. So as the market was reaching this level, I was looking for 4-hour charts to enter this trade here. So on daily charts, there was no much information, but I went to 4-hour time frame to look for for an entry. So the 4-hour was very clean and clear. Look at this one. On 4-hour we had, remember, on weekly we had a gap here that was supposed to be balanced before the market pushed to the downside. So inside of this gap here, look closely, there was two opposite candle, two up candle on 4-hour, which means those two up candle formed an order block. So as those two up candle formed the order block inside the weekly gap, so this level was very important to me, because there was an order block on 4-hour, and on weekly there was a gap here that was supposed to be balanced. So I knew the market will come at least reaches the 50% of this gap here, when you can check from here to here. But I can't go more in details on that. But the thing that is very clean is this order block here inside the weekly gap. So as the market was forming these highs here, I knew that these highs are almost equal. So these are equal highs. So I knew that the market will come and break these equal highs to take the liquidity and then go to the downside. As I knew that, and this gap here was in line with the bearish order block here, I knew that the market, when it come and test this order block here, will go to the downside definitely. So I placed my pending order here, exactly here. But look at this one, as I was talking about equal lows here. Look at these equal lows. On these equal lows here, okay, we have this low and this low, and this was confirmed as maybe a dead low, because we have I was willing to explain a little bit about technical traders mindsets. So as you can see, this low here, this low here, and this low here, the technical traders see the triple top. So as they see a triple top, they are looking to buy this market and go to the downside. But look how the market opposed that theory. Look at this candle, the speed and how it went break this triple bottom here. So yeah, back to what I was saying. I took this trade. I managed to took it. I placed the pending order here, and then left like that. When I come back, this candle filled my order. Then after filled my order, go down and go down and go down and go down, so on and so on, and then close this gap here that I was talking about on monthly. So this trade was almost like 500 pips, because, and I can place a position tool here. My entry was here, and then my stop loss was above this high of this candle. Then it was almost a 30 pip stop loss, and then my target was here, was 1:15 or 15:1 risk reward. So this movement was so very huge. You were going to make a lot of money if you knew that maybe if you were trading with me. So this one was almost 480 pips, was almost 500 pips on this swing trade here. So that is my review on the Euro USD swing trade that I took. So if as now currently as the Euro USD is here now, I've done the analysis, but I don't talk on that. There is music that playing in the background, but you can watch that video. You can see how I look at Euro USD currently, because I'm looking for Euro to come and balance this gap here, because there is a gap here. I don't know whether it's clear, but on the higher time frame there is a gap that is here. So I think Euro will come and balance that gap and go to the downside. But when you want to understand more about that analysis, you can go and watch a video that I uploaded here on YouTube. That I uploaded here on YouTube. You can check that video. It's here on my channel. So yeah, see you guys on another video.